templates for texting are something that you can set up ahead of time so that when you're firing off a text to a client, you can easily select from your templates down here at the bottom, and you have a bunch of templates ready to rock and roll. Rather than manually typing out that text each and every time. So if I want to search here for maybe something that has to do with welcome, I can just type in that keyword and it'll pull up all the templates that have welcome in it. I can easily select that and it will pull up the template for me so that, again, I don't have to type any of this out. Anything that I want to change, maybe I want to take "Are you available" out now, I can just backspace and I'm good. I don't have to use the template exactly how it's set up, but I can make adjustments as I go and easily send that off. Now with templates, there are also MMS templates for texting. So if I click the paperclip icon, it's going to ask me to upload an image, file, video, etc. But I can just hit select template and have it automatically ready to rock. So again, I don't have to go into my computer, find the image or video or whatever I'm trying to send via text, and I can easily hit send MMS to fire that off. Now, if you go into settings in the top right, we have a ton of templates ready for you to use under templates and resources. You'll find them here under text templates and MMS templates. Of course, everything we have out of the box, you can duplicate, you can edit, you can delete. It's totally up to you how you want to use those, but you can add your own by hitting add text template in the top right. Just give it a title, again, something that's easy to search by, so that when you're in here and you're trying to find the template that you want to use, you don't have to look very hard. You can just search for that keyword. Put it in a folder for organization. At the top, you set who should be able to see that template. This one trips people up, but if only admins should be able to use this template, you don't want anybody else, just uncheck all the other user roles and only admins will be able to see it when they're going to select the template that they want to use. And then, of course, you can type out the message that you want to send here. You'll have your tokens in the right-hand side where you can use variable data from within that record. So if you want to pull information automatically from there, you can search for the template or the token that you want to use, or just scroll down and find the one that you want to use depending on where it's located. Then you just easily copy that and paste it wherever it should go in the template. You just want to use it organically, just as you would in a conversation. So if you wanted to pull their first name, you can just say, hey, first name. And then when you send this template off, it'll automatically pull their first name from their record. There are thousands of tokens for you to use. Just lots of options when it comes down to it, because pretty much every data point within the system is able to be pulled into a token. So again, you use that search bar to find what you're looking for. This is a mortgage template, so if I want to pull their loan amount and reference that without having to type that out, I can just search loan amount and find all of the different loan amount tokens that I can choose from. You'll also have your emojis here, so if you want to include some emojis or a GIF in that, absolutely, feel free to. Down below, you'll have your send settings, who it's coming from and who it's going to. By default, it'll be the assigned user, but if you want it to come from a specific number or a specific reps number, you have the ability to choose that. And who it's going to. By default, it'll go to the lead. That'll be whoever you are texting with within the system. But using those tokens, you can easily pull a different contact in here. So if it needs to go to the co-borrower's phone, if it needs to go to the referral partner's phone, we have tokens for all those phone fields where you can easily have the system send that to that key contact as well. MMS templates are mostly the same. So again, we have a ton set up ready to use, but you can add your own custom ones in the top right. This one's a little bit different in that there's no text that goes along with it. So you'll just give it a title, set who it should be shared with as far as user role, and then just upload the picture that you want to send off and use for that template. And then again, same send settings, who is it coming from and who is it going to? And of course, what folder do you want to put it in? If you want to add organization to your templates, make some adjustments there as well. Hopefully this video helps to clarify on text templates and MMS templates. If you guys have any follow-up questions on those, don't hesitate to reach out to help@setshape.com.